Hello YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna make my empties video as I have a lot of empties, so I'm gonna make into two parts. I'm gonna make short video, not the long one. Okay, first of all, this is from the tea tree range from the Body Shop. This is a tea tree wipes. I can only use these wipes and my skin are prone to acne, so these wipes is only good for my skin, so I will repurchase this again and again. Okay, next is the from the Body Shop. This is the Vanilla Bliss and this is the Cranberry Joy. Okay, I love the scent of this. I'm looking forward to buy in this coming Christmas. Okay, next is the Johnson Baby Shampoo. This is mainly for for cleaning for my brushes. Okay, then this is the shower gel from Bath and Body Works. This is Twisted Peppermint. I don't really like the moisturizing effect, so I won't repurchase this. Next is the Body Shop shower gel. This is a blueberry shower gel. As you can see, I have a lot of Body Shop stuff as I love their products. Next is this is a shampoo and conditioner from Mane and Tail. I got this from Avella Boss. I don't really like. I still have a little bit left of shampoo and conditioner, but seriously, I won't repurchase this for the full size thing. Then this is a BB cream from L'Oreal. I got this way 2011, I think. I can't remember. It's 2-3 years ago. Got it from KL. It's a BB cream. This is a swatch. Okay, so actually I still have a lot. This is not empty. This is something that I will throw or toss away because it's been so long. I don't want my skin to get acne or pimples. Next is the mascara. This I bought it online from Under 20. This is Great Lash mascara. I really love this, but I won't repurchase because I have a lot of mascara to go through. Okay, next, this is my go-to. This is the Swiss Salon Moisturizer Milk Non-Rinse Salon Choice. This is mainly for moisturize my hair. That's it. I will always purchase this. Then I finish off this travel size strawberry shower gel and pink grapefruit shower gel. Okay, I can only use shower gel from the Body Shop mainly because I think they are soap free. I think because I do have eczema, I cannot use any other shower gel. I can only use Body Shop or any other soap free. Okay, then I received this sample from the Bella Boss. Also, this is 2 chick avocado and olive oil shampoo and conditioner. I do love this. However, I will finish my other shampoo or other samples from the Bella Box before I purchase for the full size stuff. Okay, so that's all. I will continue on the next video. Thank you.